Before the US stock market opens today, one question is trending among investors. What's happening with Exxon Mobil stock, and is XOM worth watching right now? This video is not about hyper guarantees. Instead, we'll break down real market factors that investors are looking at today, including oil prices, recent performance, and overall market sentiment, so you can understand why XOM is moving and what to watch next. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Stock market investing involves risk, and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. What is driving XOM stock right now? Let's start with the big picture. Exxon Mobil is one of the largest energy companies in the world, and its stock price is closely linked to crude oil prices, energy demand, broader U.S. market trends. When oil prices move, energy stocks like XOM usually react quickly, sometimes even before the overall market does. Oil prices and energy sector sentiment. One of the key reasons investors are watching XOM today is oil price movement. When oil prices stay stable or trend higher, energy companies often see improved revenue expectations. Investor confidence in the sector increases. However, it's important to understand this clearly. Rising oil prices increase probability, not certainty. Smart investors don't predict, they prepare for different scenarios. Technical and market signals. From a market behavior point of view, XOM often attracts long-term investors and dividend-focused investors. During market uncertainty, energy stocks can act as defensive positions. If XOM holds above key support levels with steady volume, many investors interpret this as relative strength, not a guaranteed move. Dividend and long-term investor interest. Another reason Exxon Mobil stays popular on YouTube searches is its dividend history. Long-term investors often search, is XOM a good dividend stock? Can Exxon Mobil protect against inflation? Dividends don't remove risk, but they can provide income stability, which is why XOM stays on investor watch lists. What should investors do now? Instead of asking, cross mark, will XOM go up today? A better question is, check mark, what signals is XOM showing, and how does it fit my strategy? That mindset is what separates educated investors from gamblers. Exxon Mobil is not a get-rich-quick stock. It's a company investors watch for stability, dividends, and energy exposure. If you want clear, honest, no-hype explanations of U.S. stocks, market moves, and investing basics, subscribe to Decode USA. We don't promise profits. We help you understand the market.